solving word problems on integers. Hello students, here's a question for you. Can you perform the given operations and solve this expression? Yes, we get -5 as the answer. To find the answer, we added and subtracted the integers as per the rules we have learned. Now, let's apply this understanding to solve real-life word problems on integers. For this, we will use the 4-step strategy of solving a word problem. 1. Understand the problem. Step 2 is to identify the operation. 3 is to write the statement. And 4th is to solve the problem. Let's consider this word problem. A submarine is situated 240 feet below sea level. If it rises by 150 feet, what is its new position? To solve this word problem, let's begin with the first step, that is, understand the problem. For this, let's look at what is given and what is asked in the word problem. It is given that a submarine's position was 240 feet below the sea level and it rises by 150 feet. We are asked to find the new position of the submarine. Now, step 2 is to identify the operation. Should we add or subtract, and why? Clearly, we will perform addition in this case, as the word rises by indicates addition. Next comes the third step. Here, we will write the given situation as a mathematical statement. The initial position of the submarine was 240 feet below sea level, so it will be negative. The operator, as discussed, will be positive. The submarine rises by 150 feet, so 150 will be positive. Hence, the mathematical statement is -240 plus 150. It's time for us to now solve this expression using the rules of adding integers. Here, both integers have different signs. We know that if the two integers being added have different signs, then we should subtract their absolute value and use the sign of the number with the larger absolute value for the answer. 240 minus 150 is equal to 90. -240 has a larger absolute value. So the final solution is -90. So what can we conclude? Yes, we can conclude that the new position of the submarine is -90 feet. In other words, the new position of the submarine is 90 feet below sea level. So, if you know the rules to add and subtract integers well, using this simple 4-step process, you will be able to solve any word problem on integers. Goodbye and happy learning.